How to fix video sound not working on iPhone. If you're watching a video on your iPhone and can't hear anything, here are the steps to fix it. First, swipe down from the top right to open the control center. Slide the volume bar all the way up to the maximum. If the sound is still missing, your iPhone may be connected to another device like Bluetooth headphones or a car system. Turn Bluetooth off to make sure the sound plays through your iPhone speakers. Now open a video in the Photos app. If there's no sound, check the mute icon in the bottom right corner of the video. Tap it to unmute, and the audio should start playing. If you're on an app like YouTube, play the video and again make sure the volume is up in Control Center. If it's still not working, open the Settings app. Tap on General, scroll to the bottom, and select Shut Down. Restart your iPhone. This often clears up sound glitches. If you continue having issues, go back into Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics. Find the option Change with Buttons and make sure it's turned on. If it's already on, toggle it off and then back on. Now use the physical volume buttons on the side of your iPhone to set the sound to maximum. Return to your video and the sound should now work properly. And that's how you can fix video sound not playing on your iPhone.